wait.
Yes. Okay.
Let's check it.
All right. Ta-da. What's inside? Wow. It's tumbler. Perfume.
Ta-da!
What a labu! Well organized. Makeup kit. Pouch and another pouch. Wow, emergency medicine. And the combo. Ta-da! Erika, ayusin mo yung pagkasunod-sunod. Okay, ibalik na natin.
Walang open. Bakit walang open?
Ano? Nahiya i-open eh. Oh, i-open mo na. Open mo na ito, Erika. Wow! Ang dami cards. Next. Wow! May coffee pa siya. Wow. Coffee lover. This one. Wala pa. Halos ano na nga yung mga i-video ko. Wala pa rin monetize. Wow! Toothbrush. And this one. This. Ta-da! Wow! Makeup kit. Look. Nice. And this. Bango naman. Freshness. Ta-da!
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Ang cute ng bag. I love it. Don't forget, like and subscribe.